In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your PayPal account to Payhip. This is a crucial step if you're planning to sell products or services through Payhip and want to use PayPal as your payment processor. Let's dive in and make this process seamless and straightforward for you. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Payhip account. Once you're on your Payhip homepage, you should see a navigation menu. This is where you'll begin the process of integrating PayPal with your Payhip account. Next, you need to locate the Account section. Clicking on Account will take you to an area where you can manage various aspects of your Payhip account. Think of this as the control center for all your account settings and preferences. It's where you'll make important adjustments to your account, including setting up payment processors like PayPal. Once you're in the Account section, look for Settings. You'll want to click on Settings to open up more detailed options. This section is essential because it provides you with all the tools you need to customize your Payhip account to suit your business needs. It's also where you can manage your financial details, which is what we're focusing on today. Within the Settings menu, find and click on Payment Details. This is a critical step because it's where you'll set up how you receive payments from your customers. Ensuring this is correctly configured will streamline your sales process and ensure that you get paid promptly. Now, under Payment Details, you'll see an option related to PayPal. Look for Connect PayPal or a similar prompt. This is the point where you're going to officially link your Payhip account with your PayPal account. Click on Connect to proceed with the integration. After clicking Connect, you might be prompted to log into your PayPal account. Make sure to use the PayPal account that you want to link with Payhip. Once logged in, you may need to authorize Payhip to access your PayPal account. This step is crucial as it allows Payhip to process transactions on your behalf, ensuring that your sales revenue is directed to your PayPal account. After you've authorized the connection, you should receive a confirmation that your PayPal account is now linked to Payhip. This means you're all set up to receive payments for the products or services you sell through Payhip, using PayPal as your payment gateway. And that's it! You've successfully connected PayPal to Payhip. This setup ensures a smooth transaction process for you and your customers. If you encounter any issues, make sure to double-check each step or reach out to Payhip support for additional assistance. Thanks for watching and happy selling!